This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing power and software. Plug in the USB-C cable to charge or confirm the battery level. A partially charged mouse stabilizes wireless pairing. Once done, install Logitech G so Windows has the driver and pairing utility. G simplifies DPI and button mapping later. Make sure you have the USB receiver ready or the cable for wired fallback. Turn the mouse on using the switch underneath and watch the LED to confirm the device is awake. You now pair and configure. Insert the USB receiver into a direct PC port. Avoid passive hubs because they can drop signals. Open Logitech G click Add Device, and select the wireless mouse when it appears. If you prefer Bluetooth, switch the mouse into Bluetooth mode and pair from Windows Bluetooth settings. Note Bluetooth limits performance versus the receiver. Make sure to accept firmware updates in G Firmware improves sensor stability and battery handling. Apply your DPI. You finish by verifying function and addressing problems. Test tracking across your desktop, and in a game, click every button and switch DPI to confirm settings applied in G If tracking stutters, increase polling rate or try another USB port. If pairing fails, plug the mouse in wired to confirm the PC sees it. Make sure no other wireless devices cause interference. If everything still fails, power the mouse off for 5 seconds and power on to reset pairing, then reattempt pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.